Morning Star Raja in this 3-minute short live video on YouTube. That my platform. I'm Morning Star Raja. In this my main ID that Raja Vadalur. That I'm thanking to district collector and district administration officials. That as well as the person and staffs and the AE Kunjipadi Union, the EB staffs as well as road staffs, rural village development officer, BDO, black development officer, etc. That here very well nice. You could see backside camera that the power black the works just only started, just only few minutes back. That the work now there has been very just a few minutes only, not a few hours. Just started in a Palala temple. I'm thanking for the laborers and the workers very happily starting this work. They are starting very happy way because these our 10 days more only the annual festival of Vadalur Valalar, the Margam, that is spiritual way, that together all religion people here. There will be with a big crowd, and the 10th of the flag hosting day of Vadalur, that is Kadalur is in Tamil Nadu. That always very hungry to ask you because not my stomach. In my mind, in my thoughts, always public people should not be without any disturbance and even more crowds. So the all people on the together must thank to police department as well as I must thank to as like these good laborers and workers who are doing now pavements for aged people or children and women and mothers that without any disturbance and both side incoming and outgoing, there are people walking path or right way. The power block 4.5 kg is very wide and good. That I must thank to Mr. M.R.K. Paniswaram ji, the Honorable Agriculture Minister, Government of Tamil Nadu, because the power block very strong and good already. This weight is exactly 4.5. That at the side at Kurunjipadi by North Indian people so doing very well. Very good North Indians also. That they don't know Tamil, but a little only 4.5 kg. That English small word, but very fluent in Hindi. But working for Tamil Nadu. Our good Indians that are along with the Tamil people, North Indian people, and the together with the friendship, right friendship. I must thank to our Honorable Prime Minister of India, Mr. Modi ji, as well as our Honorable Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, Mr. Stalin ji, that as like this work should be very hungry way means without any delay. So the why the EB post nodded removed yesterday also the Kunjipadi Union lady EB officials here came. But what about her action? The nodded removed started. Thank you. God bless you.